Hey everyone, my name is Ramesh Tiwari and welcome to my 100 days of coding challenge. Today is 12th of my 100 days coding challenge. Today I created a WhatsApp clone with the help of HTML and CSS. So now let's move to the HTML file. This is the HTML file and this is the main container. In main container have some classes. This is the navbar. This is the links, this is the button, this is the container, another container class, this is the classes, this is the container 2 class, this is the box class, and this is the site of responsive class, this is the container 3, this is the class, this is the container 5. Container 5 have some class like box 4, left 5, container 7, footer container, and this is the uh, footer section, footer side, and this is the responsive side. This is the HTML file. So now let's move to the CSS file. This is the CSS file. This is the universal selector. This is the main container CSS properties. This is the properties of CSS. This side, this clone is responsive also in 480 pixel and 780 pixel. This is the right. This is the box 6 CSS properties. This is the footer container, button icon, and this is the responsive side of CSS properties. So now let's move to the result, how it look like. So this is the result. This is the WhatsApp clone. So let's check it is responsive or not. In 780 pixel it is responsive. This is the 480 pixels. This is the footer section. So thank you for watching my video.